It's the month of May. You can hear the birds in the background. And we just planted a bird seed plot. What do I mean by that? Well, we had a small garden tract that I had tilled that we decided not to plant anything in this year. So I bought some mixed green bird seed, a 35-pound bag, and hand sowed it in this little plot. And then we just kick the dirt around to cover the grain up, and see the different types of grain that are in there. But the idea is to just let this stand grow and dry on the stalk, and then the birds can come and forage. So I'll post an update later in the year once it's all grown. We did something similar last year in just a small yard that we had done some construction in. What do you think about that, Curly? You like the idea? You like it? You like the idea? So there you have it, a bird seed plot.